Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. Today I'm going to discuss about support label and resistance label. It is very important to find out in our trade because it provides us a significant information where we need to keep our stop loss and our exit point. This chart, currently you are seeing this chart is 1 hour gold future chart, and then here based on this chart I'm trying to explain about the support label and resistance label. Support label means the place, the area where it gets a support, and then it does not go below that support level. Sometimes we can find some fake breakout, but suddenly the market comes recovers very soon, and then it moves to the right direction. Sometimes we can find false breakout. You need to be careful about that false breakout as well. So here when it comes in this area here, you can see that clearly this area is this support level. As soon as it comes to this level, it gets some buyers, and then the market goes up. Okay, so this is the support level, and when this support level is breaks, to break the support level, that there must be significant number of sellers, and then it breaks forcefully. You should know that if it doesn't break that forcefully, then the support level hasn't been broken. So now look, see this label here. You can see big candle. This big candle, it has broken the resistance level. Until it comes to this area, this label would be the resistance label, and then when it breaks by big candle, big candle, then the support label has been established, and the same resistance label has been changed as the support label. And here you can see that market has been getting support in this area, and it hasn't come down. Okay, so next label, that is the market went up to this level and it come down, and probably it is resistance level. And here you can see this another candle is the big candle. It broke this resistance level, and this resistance level became changed into support level here again. Okay, support level, and the next resistance level is this one, and then it can be broken. When it is broken, then again this resistance level becomes support level. And here you need to understand that if it can't break, if it can't break, then it will go down, and then up to this level. Up to this level, we can easily see the market up to this level, and then this level will be the support level. If it breaks it, then it can go up to this level again. If it does not break here, it will have buying opportunity, and if it doesn't break this level, then it is a very high chance to break this resistance level and keep on moving the market higher and higher. Okay, so when using support and resistance label, how to use this support and resistance label when while placing the order. Let's see that here this area might be the buying order area, and you need to put your stop loss somewhere at this area, and then you need to wait. So you can see that after that this is the support label, so that based on this support label we need to buy our order here, and then stop loss here and wait. You can see the market has continuously going up to this level, and we know that this level is the resistance label, and market can pull back from this label. Market can breathe in this label from this level, so that if you are a short-term trader, then you need to exit. You need to put your exit point somewhere else here. So you need to exit in this point. But if you are not short-term trader, so what you need to do, just change your stop loss from here to just 1/4 of this area. Just count how many dollars from here to here, and in 1/4. Okay, just in 1/4 level. Somewhere else, might be somewhere else here. Let me put as a mark. Probably, yeah, somewhere else here. You can put your change your stop loss to somewhere else here, so that even if market goes this level, you will be profitable. You will not lose money. You will have at least something else. Okay, something profit you will have. But then, if you're waiting, let's see here. This is the breaking the resistance point, resistance label. So big candle, and then forcefully it has broken the resistance label, and it has gone up, keep on going up, and then this same resistance label has become now support label. It has changed its the support label now, and then if you have sold your order here, this somewhere this point, from here you can place another buying order again, and you can keep your stop loss somewhere else here, this below this resistance level. Okay, so if you are a long-term trader, then you need to you can put your stop loss somewhere else here, and then you can wait. See here, after that you can see the market from here. The market some breathing, some types of resistance it has created here, and then market is breathing. Still it has not touched to this support label, or it hasn't crossed this label, so that still market is also high chance to cross this resistance level again, and go further higher. So you can wait, and if it starts to cross this label, then you need to sell. Okay, so here when you wait here, when you keep your stop loss here, and then when the market goes up, then this stop loss you can change again up to here, this label, and then secure the profit. Okay, and you can keep on waiting. Okay, so when the market cross this label and goes down, you will exit from this market with some profit. If it continuously goes up, then your profit will be keep on increasing. In this way you can keep on, and then when it breaks, then you can do same from here to here. Just count 1/4, and then you can change your stop loss somewhere else here, 1/4, and then if it moves up there, if it goes up, then you can keep then this resistance label will be the support label, and then you can keep your stop loss somewhere at this point. In this way you can securely change the stop loss, and then increase your profit based on this support and resistance label. I believe that you love this video. If you love this video, just press the like button. You can subscribe my channel so that you can get my next video, and then you can comment if you have anything, if you have any question or anything else. Thank you.